G'day everyone, it's Chris O. I'm starting a new ensuite. Look at the orange shirt, God, look like a bloody carrot. You get that? I just changed my work shirts. Okay, we're into this ensuite now. I'm starting with an ensuite in this house. I'm doing the laundry, ensuite, bathroom, separate toilet. I'm going floor to ceiling, so up to the cornice, around the window. They're having a barn door on this side. I'm going to bring out the shower to the door as far as I can. I'm building a nice big niche in here from wall to wall. Everything's going up to the ceiling, 6x3 tile, 6x6 on the floor. Everything's going to be new vanity. That mirror there is going to be a recessed cabinet. So I've got a frame out for that. They want soundproof bats in that wall. It's not so noisy when people are having a shower in here. It reduces the noise. So it's all cool. Everything's coming out. Let's get started, Chriso. People, you will see a transformation like nothing else. We'll see you soon. Yo! The mirror came out easy. It was only bogged in by six blobs of silicon, clear silicon. So that's good. So now I'm taking out this cabinet DIYs. It's easy. I'll zap it out in pieces so it's easier to get out. A hammer is the easiest way a lot of times. You just bash it. Once you've got rid of all the silicon and that sort of thing that holds it in. But it's easier to take it out in pieces instead of the whole thing. Right. I find it easier anyway. But it seems very, very low, this vanity. It's sitting on the floor, on the concrete floor, which is a absolute no-no because the mud has been screeded up to it. And when the water soaks through the grout lines and it soaks into the bed, it doesn't matter whether it's waterproofed or not. That chipboard will soak up the water from the screeded bed and it'll just go like Weet-Bix. So it's a no-no these days. The vanity always sits on top of the tiles and goes against the finished wall. Not like this. That's a no-no these days. People are saying you're full. Alright, I'll be taking this outside to the rubbish pile. We'll see you soon. This is Chriso. Subscribe to my channel, people. I'll come back to you shortly in another part of the strip out. It's all pretty basic. DIYers, you'll love it because you're wrecking something that's old and needs doing up. See ya, bye. What I'm going to be doing now, DIYers, is I want to cut around that line because I'm taking these sheets off. I'm putting a mirror cabinet in the wall there. I want to put some more timber in there because they may want later a shelf for like a sort of a cupboard thing that you can put on the wall. What I need to do now is cut around there. I'll be using a wet sponge and water, a sponge and water with my grinder to cut down the dust. Once I've cut around there, we're laughing. I just had to check if I had my camera going. Right, we're laughing. Don't stand on a bucket, stand on some decent snacks. Stand on something solid, not a bucket. I'll see if I can do it off the floor. No. A little bit tricky. bit more. That's it. So now I'll take those sheets off and we're good to go. I'll pick up some timber later on this afternoon and we'll frame that out tomorrow. I'll know exactly where my vanity's going to go and exactly the height. I have a height that they want their cabinet at, so we're laughing. See you soon.